Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Analytics Academy. Friends, from today we are going to start our Excel course. Day 1 to day 10 we are going to start our Excel course of from basics to advanced, from which we are going to complete our AI based Excel. We are going to learn Excel with artificial intelligence. How we can use Excel with artificial intelligence, practical examples, interview questions, everything we are going to cover from on our Excel series from day 1 to day 10. So this is our day 1 of Excel course where we are going to see the basic overview of the Excel. What are the tabs in Excel? What how to use the sum function? What is sum function? What is min max function in Excel? That everything we are going to cover today. So let's begin our today's day 1 series. So here you can see the overview of Excel, whole interface of Excel and file, home, that are what tabs. Okay, from stepwise let me show you that. Okay, this is all the tabs which are provided by Excel: file, home, insert, share, page layout, formulas, data, reviews, view, help and draw. That are what tabs. Okay, that are tabs in Excel. Okay, and here you can see all the things. Okay, where you can see the times family. Okay, size of the font size, where you can change the border color. Okay, background color, fill color. That are what that are what ribbons. Okay, that are what ribbons. Here you can see all the formulas. Okay, from general, number. Okay, if you want to see, take the current date. Okay, if you want to keep the current date, for that purpose you can use this. Okay, here you can see the formulas. Okay, sum, average, count, max, mean, add, minus, multiply, divide. These are what formulas of X. Okay, and these are on the ribbon tabs. Okay, ribbon, that are what ribbon. Here you can see on insert tab, these are what tab. Okay, insert is what tab in Excel. Pure table, forms, pictures, checkbox, that are ribbons. So let's see everything we are going to cover. Okay, formula, sum formula, what is difference between sum formula. Okay, what is counta function in Excel. Okay, and AI base also we are going to cover. Okay, here you can see the formulas tab. On formulas tab, your Excel provides multiple tab. Okay, multiple formulas, from sum to counta. Okay, sum, yes, how to use that, all the formulas, that also we are going to see practically. On data tab on data tab, you can give the validation. Okay, on data tab you can give particular validation, data validation to your data. Okay, particular column. Now how to give the data validation, that also we are going to see. Okay, here you can see on the data validation, it allow you the any value, whole number, decimal, list. Now for example, if you want to give the list. Okay, now list is what here. If I will insert the list. Okay, for example, that the particular task is completed or not, completed or pending, completed or task is pending. That are what we have given the validation for particular our column. Okay, now here you can see, if I will select the particular cell. Okay, what is the cell on Excel? You can see a data where we enter. Okay, where we enter the particular values, that are what cell. Okay, these all the cells in our Excel. Okay, now how many rows and columns Excel provides us? On Excel on Excel, it provides 10,48,576. Okay, rows. Okay, here you can see in the last, it provides us 10,48,576. Okay, how many rows it provides us? 10,48,576 576 rows Excel provide us. And when we come to the column, okay, when we come to the column, it provides us 16,386. Okay, 16,384 it provides us. Okay, columns, when we will see the columns here. Okay, okay, here you can see the last column. Okay, X, F, F, D. Okay, it is what? How many columns it provides us? Okay, 16,384. Okay, that are what columns it provides us, and rows it provides us 10,48,576. Now if we want to share the data, okay, particular values, particular table, when we need to share, we have to click on the file, and here you can create the copy also on Excel. This is what, this we are using the Microsoft 365. Okay, Microsoft 365 Excel. Okay, this is online Excel we are using. Okay, if you are having the on your laptop, if you are having the offline Excel, if it is downloaded to your Excel, you can practice there. Okay, that particular table you can download a copy also, or you can create a online copy also for it, and print also you can make. Okay, now what is the extension of Excel? This is what extension of Excel. Okay, all our Power BI, when we have completed the Power BI sessions, okay, from day 1 to day 30, we know that Power BI provides .pbix, okay, extension, while as Excel provides .xlsx. Okay, that is what extension of Excel. Okay, as per the after 2013, okay, version, okay, of Excel, after 2013 version of Excel, the extension is provided, this extension is provided of Excel. Okay, this many tabs are there of Excel. Now how to use the formulas? Okay, what is the sum formula, how to use all the formulas on Excel, that also we are going to see. Okay, now if I am having, okay, today we are going to see the sum formula. Okay, stepwise we are going to complete, and how to use the Excel with AI, that also we are going to complete. And what is the pivot table, what is lookup, what is XLOOKUP, HLOOKUP on Excel, we are going to complete that also. Okay, so if I will take the numbers values from 1 to 10. Okay, I will take the values from 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, and we will make the sum. Okay, how we can create the sum here? Okay, from 1 to 10 we will take, and after that there are ways, okay, multiple ways where we can find the sum, average, mean and max value. Okay, when I will drag this whole cell, okay, which I have selected, downside you can see here. Okay, here you can see the average. Okay, average is what? 5.5. Okay, count, how much is it? Is count 10. And third one is what? Sum. Okay, customize status bar. Okay, downside. Okay, this is the first step. We can see, we can collect that. Oh, what is the sum? Okay, now count is there. Okay, mean value also you, it is visible. Okay, max value, and what is the sum? 55, right? This is the first way. Okay, to make the sum. Okay, second way is what? By formula we can use. Okay, this is the formula of sum. Okay, is equal to sum, and after that we have to drag all the values, values which we have selected. Okay, now we should close that. Okay, here you can see the total is 55. This is the second way. Now what is the third way to make the sum of the particular cell? Okay, particular value. Third way is what? You have to come on your tabs. Okay, third way was what? You have to come on your home tab. On home tab you can see here AutoSum, right? AutoSum. You have to select that. Here you can see the sum, average, count number, max is there, mean is there, add, minus, multiply. Multiple values are provided, okay, formulas are provided from sum, average, count number is what? Values, okay, number of count, okay, that is what? Count function, okay. Counter function is what? Okay, there are two functions. First one is what? Count. Second is counter. When we want the numeric value, only numeric value, at that time we use the count function, okay. But when we want the numeric function, numeric values, as well as the characters also, okay, in our, if there is characters on our cell, then at that time we need to use the counter function, okay. Max is what? Maximum value. Min is what? Minimum value, okay. Now here I will select the sum, okay. You can see here it auto sum is provided, okay. Directly output is provided, okay. That is what? Sum of our values. Three ways are there to make the sum, average, mean and max. First way is what? First way is what? You have to drag, okay. You have to select whole your values, and at downside you can see, okay, downside customized status bar is there, okay. There also sum, count and average is provided. Second is what? By formula, by entering formula you can make the sum particular, okay, sum you can make. If I want average, okay, here you can see the, when you will enter the average, okay. Okay, after that you have to select whole, you have to select your values, and you can make the average. This is what? Second step. Third one is what? Third one, come to home tab, there auto sum option is there, okay. Auto sum option is there, select that, and your values are available, right? Average, okay. Directly you can do there from auto sum only, okay, from auto formula, okay. These are the three ways to make the sum, mean, max, okay, average formula, okay. Today practice everything what we have learned, okay. And if I want to learn, if I want to create the table for particular my elements, okay, for values, then you have to enter the control T on your PC, and you can see the table is created for that, okay. Okay, directly you can create the table also, okay. From that you can create. Now insert is what? From insert also you can create table, okay. If your, there are headers to your table, then click yes, okay. If not, then don't create, okay. Here you can see the table is created for my particular values, okay. Checkbox is also there, and charts also we are going to complete, okay. This is our day one, where we have seen the all the formulas from sum, okay. How many rows are there on Excel, okay. 10,48,576 rows are there on Excel. Columns how much? 16,384, 84 columns are there, okay. 16,384 columns is provided by Excel. And as per the version of Excel 2013, okay, after 2013, okay, it provides us 10,48,000. And if we will use the old version, okay, means older version of Excel, okay, before 2013, if you are having the that one, okay, 2017 Excel, then it will be not the 10,48,000, it will be across 65,000, okay, rows, older version of Excel. And if we will come to the then columns, it will be 256, okay, columns, 256 columns. If you are using the older version of Excel, it will be 2006-7 if you are using, okay. But as per the current version of Microsoft Excel, it provide us 16,384 columns and rows it provides us 10,48,576. Here you can see the total rows of Excel. That is what 10,48,000 10,48,576 rows are provided. Okay, current as per the current version. Okay, so that's it for today. Practice everything. If you are having any doubt regarding any function, okay, from sum, mean, max, average, okay, for today, practice everything what we have learned. From tomorrow, we are going to come to the next topic, okay, and we are going to complete everything on Excel as per the interview point of view, okay. All the topics I have uploaded on the post what we are going to learn on Excel, everything, pure table, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, that also we are going to complete. Okay, and how to use the Excel AI, how to use the AI on Excel, that also we are going to see. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye everyone. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your all the friends.